Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create sales order in Dynamics 365. You have to go to account receivable, then orders, then all sales orders. I am already in that form to save our time because form loading is taking some times. Once you open the sales order list page, you have to click on new to create a new sales orders. Once you click new, it will bring you on the new order form. Here you can see customers. You have to select customers from the customer list. I am selecting this customer US001. Once you select customer, the name will autofill and you can select contact if you want. Then you need to go down. Here you can select warehouse. I am selecting this one. Then site will come automatically. Then you can see mode of delivery, delivery terms, pools. This all brings automatically from customers. Then you can click on OK. Once you click on OK, then sales order main form will come to add the lines. If you want to add any reference, you can put it here. Requested ship date, requested receipt date, delivery address you want to change, you can change it from here. Now you can put or go for 8 lines. In 8 lines you can take item number, in drop down item number will show. I am taking this A001. Once you selected item, product name, product number, default quantity 1, you can change it like 2, and unit will come from unit conversion and site warehouse as per header. You can set it here unit price, discount if you need discount, if you need a discount like 5% discount, percent you can put it here, and net amount 19.5% deduction happened due to discount. then you can go to line details to check the other parameters. In journals, status is open orders, item is not stopped, product name, then basic setups. Here lot ID. Once you save this, you can select sales tax group, like I am selecting this. Sales tax group is CA, posting to main account. Then address, you can change line wise if you want. Here product, packing, delivery, sourcing, then financial dimension. You can see warehouse, site, location, packing, then project. If this is sales related to project, then project related parameter will come. Then financial dimension. So this sales order has been created with single item lines. You can create multiple item here. Enabled financial dimensions is business unit, core center, department, projects. So these are the things available I have shown in the sales order creation. Next video will proceed with the next steps. Thank you.